Alright, today's video is brought to us by Quilted Northern for that ultra soft and strongness in the Mega 24 regular roll pack. So let's take a look at the Zippo that Quilted Northern is bringing us today. Okay, this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA, and it says on it Ace of Spades Ironstone, made in Bradford, PA. There is the Ace of Spades in the ironstone finish. This is a really nice carry Zippo. It won't really show any scratches or fingerprints. It's got ironstone all over it. And this was made in K of 19. That would be the end of last year. I think that's November. So it's got a pretty good, pretty good sound. Steel insert. It lights up really good. So let's do a drop test on this ironstone. So that passes the test nicely. I would definitely carry this one. And I would also give it some cowbell. Knuckle bump.